all do we have over here, guys?
Are you tired, Garvita? Okay, take a break.
One, two, three, four, 5 feet.
Here we are. Thank you for the great work party tonight. We loved having your daughter with us, and look how beautiful it is. We are making a bet that we may have, John says 300 pounds tonight. I say 345.
पापा मैं एम्प्टी कर दूं क्या वो क्रेट? पापा
No, beta, that will be heavy. I will do it.
I think we did pretty well, guys. I think so.
Which variety is that?
ब्लैक एंड टमाटो.
Let's wait and see.
Yes, thank you for everything. Well, come again.
Come again.
Come again. We'll be working through November. So
I see.
come again. I'm just tying up cucumbers right now. I want them to go straight up so that when the cubes come, they come long and straight instead of curly and fat.
और आज के इतना काम रहा नहीं होगा इन लोगों को
Wow.
2-3 स्टेप निकले उधर नहीं उधर देखो
ये हमारे गार्डन में है. This is snow peas.
对，我的跑速就是我配合。
而且你的房子你的那
这个房子6号真是没得说。
These are the beans.
और लहसुन निकालना था
These are special varieties of beans. I call it long beans. This is very, very long. Hmm. 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 This is lavender and these are the honeybees.
ये तो सो के लिए होता है.
ये नकली मटर है, इसको खा नहीं सकते, केवल शो के लिए होती है.